Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm back with another unbox. I bet you like, man, this dude, he just like upgrading everything. Yes, I am. Man, today, this upgrade is something I should have did like probably 3 years ago, but I finally got tired of my old preamp. And I was using the Presonus Digi D8, and that's been a workhorse, but man, some of the pre's started going out, and I was like, dude, it's time to just go ahead and update the whole production setup, because honestly, I want my drum videos to sound pretty good, and that one was Firewire, this one is USB 2. I know all this computer jargon, like who cares, but anyway, I needed something that could be compatible. If I want to do like a portable rig, go record drums somewhere else, or go do another recording somewhere else, I didn't always want to keep it in my studio because that's where I had Firewire, and that's outdated, let's be honest guys. So I went ahead and updated my interface, and this one right here is the Focusrite Scarlett 18i20, but this one is the second generation. I know they just put out a third generation. This is the second generation. The reason I chose this one is because I honestly like Focusrite, man. I have an old Focusrite Sapphire. I think it's the Sapphire Pro 24 that I use, and I usually ADAT that to the Digimax, you know, for more channels. But this one is the USB, and Focusrite preamps are just perfect, guys, perfect. So if you're looking for clean, clear preamps, Focusrite is the way to go, and it's affordable. I think I got this one off of reverb.com. Dude, if you're like me and you're balling on the budget, man, it's the pandemic, guys. I always say that if you're balling on the budget, but you're trying to upgrade, go to reverb.com, go to Facebook Marketplace, go to Craigslist. That is where I go and get all of the cheap deals, guys. And I got this one brand new. I think retail, I think it's like, what, $379. I saw it on Focusrite.com, but I got this joker for $350 on Reverb. So I saved like 20 bucks, but hey, it's brand new. I wanted to go brand new because I bought the other one and it was used and it was jacked up. Thank you, eBay. Thank you, eBay. But I wanted to go somewhere and get something brand new because I was like, it's electronics, dude, you gotta do brand new. So I'm stop rambling. Let's just get to this unboxing, guys. Let's go. Yes sir, baby. That Focusrite, man. This is nice, and it comes with some. Oh, I get addicted kit. Okay, and I get the red sweet. Oh, junk, man. See, that's why you gotta get it brand new, guys. That's why you gotta get it brand new. So the Scarlett Focusrite 18i20, second generation. I got 8 channels. Man, they got phantom power. Got a good monitoring system. Man, this is gonna be dope, guys, for real. This is really dope. It comes with Ableton, Live Light. I use Logic though. I use Logic and Sonar. It's got Pro Tools, Dick keys, soft key. So, oh man, USB. It's a 24-bit recording. It records up to 192 kilohertz. That's pretty good. That's some high definition. So that is going to be dope, guys. So let's just get this started, man. Let's just go ahead and open this joint, bro. Oh, okay. Oh, they secured it. Hold up. Let me go ahead and let me get this out. All right. They secured the bag, as they say. All right. Comes with a bunch of instructions. Okay. Oh, I got the software code. Not showing you guys that. Got the whole software code. So, got that. Comes with this nice little crate looking thing. You know what I'm saying? All right. Ooh, brand spanking new, guys. Oh, yes. Brand spanking new. Oh, man. Got the USB cord. All right. Got the power cord right here. All right. So let's just open this puppy up. All right. Brand new, man. Ooh, yes, sir, guys. Yes, sir. Look at that. That looks good. Focusrite, baby. I cannot wait to start recording with this, guys. Man, y'all be on the lookout, man. More videos are on the way. I just had to go ahead and splurge this time, man. I know I had to do it. I had to do it. So that's my new interface, guys, the Focusrite Scarlett. Can't wait to do a test of it. If you watch my new videos coming out, my new drum videos, you're gonna hear this. So there we go, guys. If you're looking for a new, affordable, go on Reverb. Like I said, go on Reverb and you'll find it. So there we go, guys. That's the new Scarlett, what's the name? Hope you guys dig it. See you soon. Check out the videos. Let's go.